अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं न्यू बीबीसी न्यूज HD और मैं हूं आपकी मेजबान सना चौधरी। शामिल करते हैं आज की अहम खबरें।
Israel has effectively been given a license to torture Palestinians because most of your government, your ministers have allowed it. It is thanks to the courage of torture survivors and the Palestinians and Israeli NGOs who helped document their inferno if the truth has today reached this room. Hence, I have decided to lend my voice to them, to the survivors. Quote, on the fourth day in prison, an Israeli soldier threw food on the floor, which was only Lebanon, yelling, "Eat off the ground, you Hamas horse, just like animals," end of quote. Quote, the assaults were violent with batons and boots, leaving prisoners bleeding on the ground. They would beat prisoners, force them to insult each other and even howl like animals, end of quote. Quote, they unleashed police dogs on us again, allowing them to tear into our flesh. One dog attacked a fellow detainee and started mauling his genitals. He bled to death in my arms. A doctor shielded in a cage examined him from a distance and said, "Throw him outside," end of quote. Quote, one of the soldiers raped me by violently inserting a wooden stick into my anus. After about a minute, he removed it and inserted it again more forcefully, while I screamed loudly. Then he forced me to open my mouth and lick the stick, end of quote. Quote, they put me on a metal table, pressed my chest and head against it, cuffed my hands to the end of the bed, and pulled my legs apart forcefully. I felt a penis penetrating my anus and a man raping me. I started screaming, and they beat me on my back and head while I was blindfolded. I felt the man who was raping me ejaculate inside my anus. I kept screaming and being beaten, and I could hear a camera, so I believed they were filming me. I cannot describe what I felt. I wished for death every moment.